morning, I'm Sun Sahar, and today I'm going to tell about a volcano. So, what is a volcano? A volcano is a vent or chimney which transfers molten rocks known as magma and from a deep depth of the Earth's surface. Magma erupting from the volcano is called lava and is the material which builds up the cone surrounding the wall. The volcano is active if it is erupting lava, releasing gases, or general seismic activity. A volcano is dynamic or it has not erupted for a long time but erupt again in the future. Once a volcano has been dormant for more than 10,000 years, it is termed extinct. The explosiveness of the volcano eruption depends on how easily the magma can flow and how much amount of the gas gets trapped within the magma is released. Large amounts of water and carbon dioxide are dissolved, which forms bubbles and escapes after opening. As magma rises quickly from the Earth's crust, gas bubbles are formed and expand up to 1,000 times the original size. So, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and give it a thumbs up, so we will greatly appreciate it.